Looking to bring your car's audio back to life? AC/Delco GM original equipment car speakers are designed to restore the rich, clear sound quality your GM vehicle had when it rolled off the lot. These speakers are GM recommended replacements, engineered to deliver the same trusted performance and reliability as the original factory parts. What sets these speakers apart is their precise manufacturing to GM's exact specifications. That means they fit perfectly, work seamlessly, and last as long as you expect from General Motors. No guesswork, no compromises, just a straightforward upgrade that keeps your sound system true to its original design. The magic behind these speakers lies in how they convert electrical signals into sound. Using a combination of a permanent magnet and an energized voice coil, they move air back and forth to produce crisp, dynamic audio. Whether it's your favorite song or a podcast, the sound comes through loud and clear, thanks to this precise engineering. One satisfied owner shared how the speakers fit perfectly in their 2013 Chevy Equinox and delivered loud, clean sound right away. That kind of feedback highlights the quality and ease of installation you can expect when you choose AC/Delco's GM original equipment speakers. If you want to avoid the hassle of mismatched parts or subpar audio quality, these speakers are worth a look. They offer a reliable, durable solution that keeps your vehicle's sound system performing at its best without any guesswork or modifications. Ready to upgrade your car's sound with a product designed specifically for your GM vehicle? AC/Delco GM original equipment car speakers bring back the audio clarity and volume you deserve. Try them when you're ready to experience music the way it was meant to be heard. Don't settle for less when it comes to your car's sound system. These speakers combine exact fit, proven durability, and trusted GM quality, so your music sounds just right every time you hit the road.